From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. The US dollar has rallied slightly during the session here in early Tuesday, trading against the Canadian dollar to jump slightly above the 1.38 level, but it is facing a little bit of pressure in this region. It'll be interesting to see how this plays out because on Friday we will get the Canadian employment numbers, and that, of course, will have a major influence as to where we go next. That being said, if we can break above the candlestick from the Friday session, where we pulled back viciously from the 200-day EMA, that would obviously be a very bullish turn of events, because not only are you taking out a very negative candlestick, but you're also jumping above the 200-day EMA, which a lot of traders pay close attention to. Between now and Friday, we may have a bit of a range form, as we are between the 50-day EMA underneath and the 200-day EMA above. Keep in mind that there is a lot of uncertainty when it comes to this currency pair, mainly due to the fact that the United States and Canada still do not have any trade agreement. And therefore, this is a bit different than perhaps the pound against the US dollar, the euro against the US dollar, etc. So with all of that being said, it'll be interesting to see how Canadian employment is faring and whether or not there is something to worry about there. Again, though, we had recently been consolidating in this pair, and I think ultimately we are in a situation where traders are trying to break out of there. We've pulled back. Now the question is, will the retest produce support? I suspect we should have our answer in the next day or two, Friday at the latest, and then we should have a bigger move. Again, anything over the 200-day EMA suddenly looks very bullish.